Hey y'all, this is Jessica. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you how I am making my raised bed. It has been really windy here, so I haven't been able to film the starting of this process, but I'm still going to tell you what I did, and then I still got the rest down here to finish doing. It has just been so windy, I didn't know how the sound would affect the video. So anyways, I still got to take up the grass right here. I'm connecting it from that point to this point. And basically, because I was originally just going to do this, and now I'm going to just whip it all the way around. And I've just been adding soil, compost. I got my compost and manure, soil. I put my wiring down. I've been adding eggshells and shrimp peels and banana peels, and I just throw that all in there. This is obviously the part I haven't. I need to connect it down more. I need to get adding on. So I'm going to keep filming the process. If you'd like to watch how I did this, I also put cardboard under there to help with weeds or whatnot. But anyways, I am going to be putting banana trees, spaghetti squash, and black-eyed peas and some other stuff along this way, because my backyard, I already have 3 raised beds, and this part of my house gets so much sun that I figure, why not do a raised bed? So this is going to go up. So stick around, watch the process.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know